I hate traffic. I hate it. I hate it so much. Especially when I'm like in an actual hurry, which I normally am not. But today I'm in a hurry because of American Airlines. A few days ago, on my first of 3 installs since my daughter's birthday, I left home. So for me, that would be Phoenix. Landed in Austin for Niles Patel. That was the customer's name. It was in Austin. It was a C8 that was done that I did yesterday. Originally, was supposed to land in Austin, Texas at 3:15 p.m. and then head to Niles' house, do the installation, and then head back to the airport for a 9 p.m. flight out to where I'm currently at here, which is Louisville. For today's customer was Richard Ray. Well, I landed at 3:15 in Austin yesterday. I got my luggage, like clothes and stuff, and my tools were missing. They flew my tools to LA and then discovered that I wasn't going to LA or whatever, and flew them back to me in Austin. Well, the flight didn't land until like 11:45 that night that I landed, which was 2 days ago.
Stay in the second or
so obviously I couldn't do the install. So I called Niles, obviously, when I landed, told him what was going on. And he's like, that's, you know, I'm running a fever of 102 anyways, so tomorrow's fine. So I woke up pretty early and went over and did the install. The issue is I'm already working into what I should be, like the other 2 installers, on Christmas break and New Year's break. And normally, you know, like years before, I didn't really complain about it. I mean, shit, I've done an install on Christmas morning or Christmas Eve for people. So it's not like it's that huge of a thing, but now having a child and not really seeing her as often as I would like, it's been more and more frustrating.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit 11 onto Crittenden Drive toward airport.
Oh, that's up here. Okay. Sorry about that. I was like confused. So I'm already into my Christmas break, and we have a family trip that we have scheduled to Yellowstone, and I couldn't delay and push back because I wouldn't have been home if I extend everything by a day to compensate for American Airlines. I wouldn't be home, or I wouldn't have been able to get a flight from Atlanta home until like Christmas Eve. Uh-oh.
Use the left lane to keep right toward airport and
It's
Fair
overheated.
Center.
Traffic is insane here right now. But anyways, and that was obviously not gonna fly. There's no way that I'm not gonna be home until Christmas Eve. Just insane. So it's been, the last couple days have been
Keep right.
land
Left toward airport.
land at early afternoon,
Use the left
or
lane
land late at night, early morning, same day, same evening, flight out. So I've been having to get these cars done. The C8,
in 3/4
the C8 that I did yesterday,
Destination is on your left.
the C8 that I did today,
International Airport.
all were done in under 3 hours because I had to rush back to the airport, which is what I'm doing right now. So I'm just exhausted. I'm just ready for this to be over. But I'm heading to Atlanta right now, and I've got 1 more install. That's it, Atlanta. And then I can come home for the week, 2 weeks, vacation, New Year's, Christmas,
In half a mile, the
everything else.
destination
So
is on your left.
I'm excited.
Muhammad Ali International Airport.
Can't wait, but it's just exhausting. Thanks, American.
My name is Divine Cuts in the music.
Okay.
But this is how you can contact me though, right here, and then we can go further if so that way I know you're probably in a rush and I don't want.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am today.
But yeah.
A couple days, but I appreciate it.
No
Definitely.
problem. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one. got tickets. And now, go this way. I'm really hungry. I'm very, very hungry right now. So I'm gonna find some place to eat. And then go through security at that point. What is up, guys? I am here. I am in Atlanta, Georgia right now. As you know, landed here last night. It was dark, it was rainy this morning, so I couldn't really do much filming, but I am here with the customer. His name is Michael, and I'm excited to get this one going. Hi, Michael.
Hey, how are you?
Tim.
Hey, Tim, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. What is it that you...
We redo corporate airplanes.
Corporate airplanes?
Yeah, so everything on the inside. Cabinets, headliner seats.
Wow. A lot of stuff going on here. I love the Hummer. Do you think you could show me around a little bit? Like,
Yeah.
kind of explain what it is that you do and how it is you do? Yeah.
Like I said, we do corporate, private interiors, jet airplanes. We've been doing it for 20 years. This is the upholstery side. We do the seats, carpet, headliner, sidewalls.
Wow.
So we'll strip them down to bare material and put whatever you want on them, you know?
Wow.
We're working on a Gulfstream now.
So this is like the headline thing that you're so used to seeing.
PSUs, window panels, headliners. Yeah, with all the lights and vents on it.
Wow. So now can people pick their own...
Anything you want.
Anything you want? Kind of like
colors,
how...
Any combinations. Yeah.
Wow. This is kind of like a Bentley for aviation.
Yeah, pretty much a design center. Figure out what you want and we'll make it happen.
Now it's just primarily like private jets or...
Most of the stuff we do is either privately owned or it's a corporate airplane.
Okay.
You know, most of the corporations we deal with in town's got 5, 6 airplanes. You know, Coca-Cola is a prime example.
Really? Wow.
So
What's this area?
We're putting new cabinets down to bare Nomex to where it doesn't have any veneer on it, and we'll put all new veneer on the cabinets, stain it the color of your choice, and then refinish it with a high gloss finish.
Wow.
Let me show you some of the wood samples over here so you can get an idea. So this is the old cabinet. We're putting a burl wood on like this. That's what the customer decided to go with. But as you can imagine, any color, any finish. Bird's eye maple right there.
That's crazy. What is this material?
It's called Nomex. Super light, doesn't burn. This is ebony veneer we did on a Global down in Florida. This bird's eye maple we did on a Falcon 7X out of Colorado. So, as you can see, tons of different colors out there.
This is crazy.
It's about a 12-week project.
And this is the whole interior?
We're doing it all.
I've done that with people, or like you, and rightfully so. I mean, everyone should be concerned with the process of things, in my opinion, that you should. You shouldn't take the word of someone or a shop just because what they say.
Oh, I saw that over here.
Yeah. That's what you're cutting out. so it's just one solid smooth cut. Looks OEM style.